Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you an amazing, super simple way of loving your body through Ho'oponopono. It is going to help you to remind the whole day super happily and joyfully. You want to look at and you want to know how to do it? Then watch this video. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Vardhini. I'm a law of attraction coach and a certified Ho'oponopono healer. And my dear friends, I'm taking 2 days Ho'oponopono free sessions. That's on 30th and 31st of this month. Please come and attend to know more about Ho'oponopono and make your life super happy. It's super easy, right? Okay, coming to the technique. How to make our body healthy and super happy and joyful the whole day. That's so very, very simple to get that habit of doing Ho'oponopono. And that is only loving the body parts. How to do that? Whenever we are having bath, like for example, I'm just washing the hand. Just look at, rather thinking about other thoughts, just pay the attention of the hand, say thanks to the hand. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. The same way, the face, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Everything, please send love to the hands, legs, and all your body parts. It is so very, very important. So they are the parts which are coming from the time of our birth, right? They are with us. We always start complaining, but not sending them love. We always say, if you get any pain, knee pain, as I told, I always take knee pain, knee pain, like an eyesight. Nowadays, I'm just getting a little bit of eyesight, like it's not so clear. I started complaining. Now I understood. I'm not sending it love. It has to show that effect on us. So, my dear friends, no need to sit and just send love whenever we are having bath or brushing. So that is the time you start sending the, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And whenever just washing your face, and especially nowadays, whenever I'm just keeping eyeliner, I'm just saying, I love my eyes. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you for ignoring and watching a lot of time this, laptop. I'm taking a lot of sessions. That's what my eyesight is just going little, doesn't like. So I'm just asking that eyes, like, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Whenever I'm putting lipstick, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Whenever I'm combing my hair, I'm saying, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. See, that is the time, my dear friends. Stop thinking about anything, whether it is super urgent or not. Start sending the love to the body parts. So that becomes our, ritual, like to love, to show our gratitude to the body. And it is going to help us so better. You believe me, the time I started, applying eyeliner and I started saying, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I started, you know, I started noticing the difference. My eyes are really doing well. Please, please, every part needs our acknowledgement, attention, and affection. Please give the 3 to every part. You see the difference. You'll be very, very happy. Thank you. I love you. And remember, don't forget to attend my free sessions. That is on 30th and 31st. Just connect through my email ID. And one more thing, please share this information to your friends and family members. Please do good to everyone. We all have to be very, very happy and super healthy, right? Okay. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. You will see different tiny videos, super useful videos in the future. Every single day, normally I make a video. Okay. Wonderful. Bye-bye. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.